Welcome to the training. We're going to be installing the ORS Blueprint on your local machine. And basically, you don't need the free website, but if you want, you can go to yourzone.website and download it, and you'll have access to this training. So what we're going to do here, we're going to install the Blueprint on your computer, and you're probably seeing this page here. This is the first lesson on doing that. Scroll down to this button and click on it. It should take you to a program you need to download that's going to be running your WordPress install on your local computer. If you don't see that button, then just go to local.wp.com. You should see a page like this. Go ahead and click on download, and it's going to ask you for what platform. I'm going to say Mac. Put in your stuff here, then click on get it now. You should be able to start downloading it and install it on your computer. Once it's installed, you should see something like this, and what you do is click on. Make sure you're seeing this window. Click on the folder icon. You probably won't have any sites here because if this is the first time you're running the program, then you won't have any sites. Obviously, what you do is click on File, and we're going to go to Import Site, and we're going to choose the file you downloaded from yourzone.website. And this is the one we're going to be using. It's going to take a while to load, so we're going to call it ORS test. You give it the name, whatever the name of your website is. Maybe it could be marketing domination or whatever, coaching, whatever your website is about. You don't have to put this. You can leave this as is. This is where your site's going to be installed, but there's a button you can access that later on. So don't worry about advanced options. Continue. Select the preferred environment. Only choose a custom if you know what you're doing. So I just go ahead. This shouldn't take long. It's really quick. That's what's so awesome about it. In like less than 2 minutes, you're gonna have a website running on your computer that you can edit without paying for hosting. And once you're done, once you're ready to send it live, you're happy with it, then you can use our free hosting to do that. And yep, that's it. Let's see how long this takes. Provisioning site. And what's awesome is if you're a web developer, you can use this thing to create websites for your clients and then just push it online, and they can see it, and you can make it go live once they pay you. So it's going to ask you for your computer password. This is the password that you have to put in to log into your computer. Go ahead and put that in. It's going to import the database and a whole bunch of stuff. Now, this error might or might not show. If it does show, hopefully it's not a problem. All I do is say OK, and it continues without problems. So hopefully it's not a problem for you. Here we go. So the site is on. It's running on the computer. If it's not, make sure that you click here to say Start Site. You should be seeing something called Stop Site. That means the site is running. And what else can I tell you here? You don't need to know much else except that if you click on Open Site, it'll take you to the home page. So that's our home page. It's really simple. It's got instructions on how to import a free site, and there's like around 70 I think you can choose from. And if that's all you care about, then just go ahead and do this. You don't have to continue with the tutorial, but I want to show you how to make money with your website. You just don't want a website that's online and no one sees it. I want to help you make actual money, get actual clients and sales with your website. So don't follow these instructions if you want to use my supercell funnel. Let's go back to the program. Before you log in, I want to show you something quick. You can log in with one of these two accounts. This is the account that we created for you. It's an account that doesn't have all admin privileges, but it's easier to use. So it's a little bit harder for you to mess up because not all options are available. But in case you want full access to your website, then go ahead and use this account. But obviously you get access to all settings and you might mess something up. It's your choice. We are going to go use this account to log in. So choose ORS admin, and go ahead and click on admin. Okay, before you do that, your site is here if you care to know where it is. So you just have to click on that button. It'll open the folder with the site files there. But I don't think this is very important for you at the moment. So go ahead and click on this to access the site. And it should take you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. We have set up a few quick links here for you. And as you can see, these are going to help you with the tutorials that are coming up and the next lessons. They're going to help you set up your website so that you're good to go. We'll be setting up the products. We'll be setting up the super subtle funnel, the one that makes automatic sales. Then once we're done with this, we're going to push the site live with your free hosting. And then once we're live and you have the domain set, you will be able to set up the payment gateways to actually start accepting money into your account. After that, once you're cruising, you should install our free CRM account, which will help you create a list of buyers that you can then market to with, once you have money, you have a list, an email list, you can create a Facebook audience or a marketing campaign from that. What else can I say? One thing here is, in the future, you're not going to need these quick links. So just go ahead and go to screen options and remove anything you don't want from there. So you can remove site setup, setup products, these ones over here. The ones with the numbers you probably won't need anymore if you're done with our course. And that's basically it. If you want a free 5 days to sales course, which at the moment we're selling at $97. We'll give it to you for free if you click on this link here. If you need, no worries. We're trying to give you everything you need so you can start making sales right away, start making money with your business. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next lesson.